Here's an unboxing and review of my new Lectrofan white noise machine. I live on the second floor in a one-bedroom co-op and have a neighbor below, and I hear some general noise that I would like to mute. I recently put up some acoustic foam panels as a level of sound dampening, which has helped some, but I wanted to try this too. It has a number of different fan sounds and white noise sounds, and has a pretty big range of volume settings. I plan on using this under my bed on the floor and keep it on a low setting so I can have a little more privacy, especially at night when I'm watching TV or doing computer work.